Hi guys, look at this. I got a Nastya doll. We're gonna open it and let's see what's inside. What? What in the world? Nastya doll and a hairbrush so I can brush her hair. And I have a guitar so Nastya can play. And I have some earphones so Nastya can hear, so Nastya can sing. Doesn't mean need to sing. No, she's singing it already. It's in her, it's on that. You can